कंपैरेटिव फैट कंपोजिशन, तुलनात्मक प्रारूप, फैटी एसिड्स परसेंटेज बाय वेट। सोर्स रिपोर्ट ऑफ WHO NIN वर्कशॉप ऑन डर्टी फैट्स एंड non-communicable disease, July 7-8, 2005, held at NIN, Hyderabad. SFA fatty acids, SFA SAFA, PUFA PUFA, MUFA MUFA, and natural antioxidants. Recommended आवश्यक 27 to 33% SFA required. PUFA 27 to 33% PUFA required. 33 to 40% MUFA MUFA required. देसी घी बटर 67% SFA सफ़ा बैड सफ़ा, 3% पुफा PUFA bad pufa, and 30% MUFA good mufa in desi ghee butter. वनस्पति ऑयल, in वनस्पति ऑयल 60% SFA सफ़ा बैड सफ़ा, नो पुफा PUFA नन पुफा, 40% MUFA गुड मुफा इन वनस्पति ऑयल, नो एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. In palm oil, 50% SFA bad safa, 10% PUFA bad pufa, 40% MUFA good mufa in palm oil. Tocopherols and tocotrienols antioxidant is present in palm oil. In curd oil 9% SFA bad safa, 78% PUFA bad pufa, 13% MUFA bad mufa, and antioxidants tocopherols only. Curd oil. Sunflower oil, in sunflower oil 12% SFA bad safa, 69% PUFA bad pufa, 19% MUFA bad mufa in sunflower oil. Tocopherols antioxidants present in sunflower oil only. Soybean oil in soybean oil, 15% of SFA, bad SFA, 61% PUFA, bad FUFA, and 24% MUFA, bad MUFA. Antioxidant, only tocopherols antioxidant present in soybean oil. It's bad for health. Corn oil. In corn oil, 13% of SFA is bad SFA, bad SAFA. 59% PUFA is bad percentage of PUFA, and 28% MUFA is bad percentage of MUFA in corn oil. And antioxidant is only tocopherols is present. Cotton seeds oil. In cotton seeds oil, 26% SFA is good as SAFA, 55% PUFA is bad PUFA, and 19% MUFA is bad MUFA. In cottonseed oil, only tocopherols antioxidants available. Mustard oil. In mustard oil, 3% of SFA is bad SAFA, 29% of PUFA is good PUFA, 68% of MUFA is bad MUFA. In mustard oil, tocopherols antioxidants present only. Canola oil. In canola oil, 6% of SFA is bad SAFA, 32% of PUFA is good FUFA, and 62% of MUFA is bad MUFA. In canola oil, tocopherols antioxidant present only. Olive oil. In olive oil, 16% of SFA is bad SAFA, 11% of PUFA is bad FUFA, and 73% of MUFA is bad MUFA. In olive oil, tocopherols antioxidants available only. Groundnut oil. In groundnut oil, 22% of SFA is good SAFA, 33% of PUFA is good PUFA, and 45% of MUFA is good MUFA, but only tocopherols antioxidant available in groundnut oil. In rice bran oil, 24% SFA is good safa. In rice bran oil, 34% PUFA is good PUFA for health. In rice bran oil, 42% of MUFA is good MUFA for health. And in rice bran oil, tocopherols, tocotrienols and originols, 3 antioxidants available in rice bran oil. Therefore, rice bran oil is very good for health. राइस ब्रान ऑयल में कोलेस्ट्रॉल को कम करने की क्षमता ऑलिव तेल के मुकाबले ज़्यादा है. The capacity of decrease cholesterol is more in rice bran oil than olive oil. University of Lowell, USA. राइस ब्रान ऑयल में कोलेस्ट्रॉल को कम करने का गुण अन्य तेलों के मुकाबले ज़्यादा है. The property to decrease cholesterol is more in rice bran oil than other oils. National Institute of Nutrition, Hyderabad. फिजिकल रिफाइंड राइस ब्रान ऑयल में पाए जाने वाले औषधीय तत्वों के कारण इसमें हानिकारक कोलेस्ट्रॉल को कम करने की क्षमता नारियल तेल और कैनोला तेल के मुकाबले ज़्यादा है. द मेडिसिनल कंटेंट्स ऑफ फिजिकली रिफाइंड राइस ब्रान ऑयल possess more power to diminish the bad cholesterol in comparisons to coconut and canola oil. University of Lowell, USA. राइस ब्रान ऑयल में कोलेस्ट्रॉल को कम करने की क्षमता करड़ी तेल, सूरजमुखी तेल, मक्का तेल के मुकाबले ज़्यादा है. राइस ब्रान ऑयल possess more capacity to decrease cholesterol than sunflower oil, safflower oil and corn oil. Research in Japan. मूंगफली और राइस ब्रान ऑयल में फैट्स का अनुपात लगभग समान है, लेकिन राइस ब्रान ऑयल में पाए जाने वाले औषधीय तत्वों के कारण इसमें हानिकारक कोलेस्ट्रॉल को कम करने का गुण अन्य तेलों के मुकाबले ज़्यादा है. The ratio of fat in groundnut and rice bran oil is almost same, but the medicinal property to diminish the bad cholesterol is more in rice bran oil than in other oil. Central Food Technological Research Institute, Mysore. धन्यवाद.